guys, it's Rain and Steven again. It's January 1, 2020 and then we have a blessing because someone posted on FB, on Facebook page, if you want to adopt a bird. So we go there, I contacted her and then we go to her place and then we got these little cutie birds. So it's the addition to our birds here. The one that we got, so we named them. The blue one is Sky, and then the green with yellow is Mango. Hi Mango. Hi Sky. Oh, you're so quiet. Earlier on the car, you're so you were singing, and then now you're so quiet. Why? Why you're so quiet? Because you heard some birds? We buy 4 pairs. They are. Steven is unscrewing it so he can put the other 2 birds. Baby, why they were so quiet now?
Because they heard the others.
Huh?
Because they heard the other birds.
Earlier in the car, they were singing, no? They were singing and then they were so noisy. And then they were even kissing to each other.
And I think they're gay, because I think they're too I think they're too much. I think they're gay.
Now, they will be... Baby, later they will go out. Why you turn it like that?
Because...
Oops!
It gives me a gap to work. Oh, it's gone in there.
Why you change it?
So I can put them in without the others lying down.
No. What's that? Welcome sing?
What's what?
They were singing. It's a welcome. You can catch. Careful, later they go out. Oh.
Oh my God.
Here you are, here you are, here you are. This is Mango. Oh, it's flying. You fly.
He's touched down. Alright, take 2. You'll wait for him to come down now. Now you come on.
Crazy. Baby, later they will go out, all of them.
Right, put this on the higher fire.
You catch?
Yeah. He's a nibbler. He's a nibbler.
What's it, blah? Oh, you put it inside.
Right, now I need that one.
You get the chair.
They're crafty. They're crafty how they just jump out.
So, it's looking, oh. The other one is on top, eh. Oh. Careful. Here, here.
Oh, now he's on the Christmas lights.
Baby, later they will go out all, huh?
Don't worry.
Catching the bird, catching the bird.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
This is going to be exercise now.
Baby, catch the tail.
No, you can't. The tail feather will come out. Hey, he's smart. He's smart, this one. He's going to go from there to there now.
You can get it, you can get it.
Oh, he's too good. He's too fast. Oh, good. Yeah.
Ah, they were different color with lemon.
Yeah.
Lemon with the black. There you are.
God. My God, he runs.
Hey! Now she's tired. Oh. Bite you?
This one bites hard. Oh, yeah, you get in there. Oh, he bites hard.
Ah, they were different color, baby. Mango's
Yeah.
different. So we can still recognize.
I'm out of breath.
Because this one is our lemon eh. This one is our lemon. But this one
No,
is the
that one's
sky.
lime. He's lime. Lemon's that one.
Which one? Ah, this is
Lime,
one. This is our
lemon.
lime. But this one, wow, baby, look at the sky. Look, sky. It's trying to go to. Look, that's sky, right?
That's Sky, but they're both boys because the top of their nose is blue.
Here you are. Here you are. That one is mango. No.
The one with a lot of lime on him, he's mango.
Yeah, it's mango.
My God, that budgie bites hard, that one.
Ah, they were happy. Look, everyone is. Oh, look, they're flying.
You have to put the locks back on the door so they can't knock it off. Like I said, this is hybrid 1.0. There's got to be a lot of different variations and modifications I'll do to this cage step by step.
What? They were fighting?
Who? No one's fighting.
Thank you for watching, guys. Till our next video.